Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving. This is Rishikesh. Today we are going to see how we can convert our strings to the list and how we can convert our list to the string. So the first function that we are going to see is the list function, which converts the string into the list. What is string? So string is a sequence of characters and the list is the sequence of values. So all the characters in the string are converted in the values when we convert string to the list. So let us see how we can use list function. Here I have created a string, that is programming. Now I want to create a list in which I want to pass each of the character of this string as an value. So how I can do that? I can use the list function. So it is the inbuilt function, and here we can pass the iterable, and that iterable is string. So we have here str as in string. Now I can print the array so that we can see how our list is created. Okay, so this is our list. Each letter in the word programming is converted to a value in this list. Now the next function, that is, it is a split function. What split function do? Suppose we have a string, and in this string we have multiple words. So what I want to do, I want to make a list of words from this string. So I can split that string. So let us see how split function works. So split function can expect a delimiter as an argument. So we can pass the delimiter. So here our words are separated using space. So we have space between programming and is, then we have another space between is and interesting. Our words in the strings are separated using this space. So by default, if we don't pass anything to the split as an argument, then the space between the words is considered as a delimiter, and then we can convert a string into a list where the each word separated by space is an value in our list. But I can also pass delimiter, that any value I want to pass. First we will see how we can convert this string into a list. So I can call a method. So it is a method. So str.split, then again saving this and running this. So here you can see now we got every word as an value in our list. So this is the split operator. Now if our values are separated with, let us say, hash, then we can pass the delimiter inside our split function like hash. So again we get the same result. So this is how we can use the split function. Next function is join function. Now what list and split function do? It converts the string into the list. But what join function does? It creates new string from the list. So the join function is exactly reverse to the split function. That means the join function takes the list of a string and then concatenate the each value from that list. So first we have to create a array for that purpose. So I am creating array. Okay, so this is our array. Now what I want to do, I want to make a string using these values inside of our array. So what I can do, I can call join method. So how I want to join? So here we want space in between programming is and then space between is and interesting. So we want to join using the space. So space will be the joining key. So how we can join using space? We can simply say space. So I have given here single space, then dot, then join, and then join function takes the iterable, that is our list. Then I want to store that in our variable, that is str, and then what I will do, I will just print out the our str variable. Okay, so we are getting programming is interesting. So our each value is joined using the space. Now instead of joining space, we can join using the star or whatever we would like to join with. Again saving this and running this. So now we are getting star in between programming and is, and again star in between is and interesting. So this is how we can use the join function. In documentation more on list you can see those methods. So that's it for this session. Thank you.